Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in as always. We really appreciate your help in this channel. Today it is Sunday and we are going to head down somewhere around Mabu. I'm thinking maybe check out Waterfalls, which is about a 1 kilometer hike, so like 20 minutes in, that's it. So with that being said, enjoy the ride, and when I get there, we'll get you back. Peace, guys. Hey guys, we're here, quite a bit of a ride. So it's a dirt road, it's just off Trans-Canada Highway. So here's a trail. Falls are only right there. It's not a hike at all to get into these. I will certainly try and get you guys a little bit of aerial footage from here, but I can only go so high. I can't get out above the trees. And even if I did, it is so darn windy here today. So check that out. So you can have a picnic here. You can see people were burning fires. There you go, guys. Waterfalls. Beautiful set. Water running through, all the rock carved out, and down to this little brook. Lots of drift deadwood here, but see the area. Stairs to get you down here. But beautiful set. At least there's a nice amount of water running through it. I see somebody left a beer can up there on the rock. That's pretty sad. They should be keeping the areas clean. Certainly not what we want to see. And same here. Like, clean your mess, guys, if you're gonna have a fire here. So we have the brook running down. Check it. Lots of driftwood down there. Deadfall, I mean, not driftwood. Deadfall. Another beer can. I think I'm gonna grab these couple of cans, get them out of here while I leave. So I guess I'll set my drone up, guys, and I'll try and get you guys a little bit of drone footage of this area. It's gonna be low to the ground, but it'll be something cool. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys. I am just picking up the couple of pop cans, or well, beer cans that were left laying around here, and we're gonna head out. So here's the last view of the area. Like I said, this is just on the outside of the Whycocomah reservation. So it took us roughly, I don't know, an hour and a half to get down here. But would have been a little shorter, but Google Maps was dicking us around, leading us the wrong directions. Here, last view of the falls before I get out of here. Beautiful set of falls. I put my drone up to the top of them and I tried to go in that crevice as far as I could get. My obstacle avoidance was going absolutely crazy, and I didn't want to lose a, you know, like $1,300 drone, $1,300 or so, something like that I paid for it. So I did get some nice footage though, guys. I hope you enjoy it. So back to the car. You can see the car's right there. It's only a, geez, it's not even a 30-second walk to get down to those falls. It's the shortest one that I've been to yet. So, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we are going to certainly head out of here now. A little Missy waiting in the car because of her toe. She just had the toenail cut off yesterday and they took the whole nail off. So she actually had what? An abscess in it. So yeah, she had an abscess in the toenail. And she's got a pretty sore foot right now. She can't even walk these places, so back in the car I go. And there she is. We will certainly end this one here, guys, and catch you guys in the next one. So if you're new and you enjoy what we do here, please subscribe. I'm out of breath. Leave a like, leave a comment, make sure your notifications are on, and I guess we'll catch you guys in the next one.